Akismet is a leading spam protection solution used by millions of websites that filters hundreds of millions of spam comments and form entries every day. With the Gravity Forms Akismet add-on, you can integrate your forms with Akismet to help fight spam. To get started using the add-on, you'll first need to install and activate the free Akismet Anti-Spam Spam Protection plugin, which you can find linked in the description. You will also need to set up an Akismet account, which you can do by selecting Akismet Anti-Spam from within your WordPress settings. Follow the instructions on screen to obtain your API key and register your site with Akismet. After you've registered your site, you'll be able to modify the comments, strictness, and privacy settings and tailor them to your needs. It's important to note that form entries will be sent to Akismet and checked for spam using their global spam database. Next, head to the Gravity Forms add-ons page and install and activate the Akismet add-on. Then, go to the Gravity Forms settings page and ensure that Akismet integration is toggled on. This option will allow Akismet to filter spam on a site-wide basis, but you can also configure Akismet on a form-by-form basis. For instance, if I navigate to the settings for my contact form, I can select Akismet and disable or enable it on this form. I can also map my form fields to the corresponding Akismet fields to configure the information that is sent to Akismet for review. And that's all you need to do to start blocking spam with Akismet. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss an upload. Thanks for watching.